Hey cruisers, Keela here with your daily cruise news in 5 minutes or less. If you've ever been stressed over whether or not to buy the drink package, especially on Royal Caribbean, today's update is definitely for you. One of the most debated topics in cruising, especially on Royal Caribbean, is the deluxe beverage package. It includes unlimited alcoholic drinks, bottled water, specialty coffee, etc. The problem: Royal uses dynamic pricing, meaning the price changes constantly based on some behind-the-scenes algorithm the public doesn't get to see. One day it could be $58, the next day it could be $100. Now, Royal does let you cancel and rebook that, but the problem is that it would take weeks for you to get that money back on your card. So what's a thirsty cruiser to do? Royal Caribbean is experimenting with smaller scale drink promotions across different ships. Think $6 margarita happy hours, $5 beer deals, and the occasional wine specials. So there's no guarantee that you'll find it on your sailing, but it is available. The offers vary by ship and sailing. Royal is using new digital tools to decide when and where to roll them out. They've also brought back things like the 10-drink beverage card, although that's still pretty rare. So their goal is simple: maximize onboard sales without pushing people away from booking. So the takeaway: if you're unsure about buying the drink package, now you've got more flexibility, a la carte options. You have to keep your eyes out for that. So are you team drink package or team happy hour? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap that bell so you never miss a cruise update. I'll be back tomorrow with more news from the high seas. Until then, stay salty.